with
Cora.
Cora who? We need a full name here.
My name is Cora Voughton. I'm a professional in Airbnb hosting, and I also own a property maintenance company.
Amazing. That's quite the title. That's very impressive, actually. Cora, what are you doing at our Self-Made Academy today?
Do you know what? I'm here because from young I've always liked to talk to people. I've done performing arts, and I thought, why not? Talking is natural to me. I like helping people, and I also want to inspire people.
Amazing. And do you want to get paid while you're doing that?
When I realised as well after watching the show, well, yes, that you can get paid for using your voice, then it's a no-brainer, really.
Absolutely. I was like, yeah, I totally support all of those, but like, can we make something from that? I was like, yeah, we can. What have you found to be most beneficial from these 2 days at the Academy?
Today's really fun-packed. If I reveal to you all, then obviously you wouldn't make the effort to come, but you should.
You can charge them commission.
Exactly. You should come because the little nuggets, just a little piece of information, no, it's not even little, big pieces of information that you think it can just basically make so much change to your day-to-day general business. Even if you're not speaking, it can just literally add big nuggets and change your life. You just come feeling refreshed, a different way of attacking and even, shall I say, achieving your goals or anything that you want. You really leave with that mental clarity and think, wow, like now you can make a difference.
Absolutely. I love that. And you've decided to stay with us and join our Diamond Academy. Talk to me about why you decided to do that.
Well, again, before coming here, actually, to be fair, I was already coming. I was already booked in when you called me, and I was already booked in for a course. I was already booked in for a course at the end of January, and so I attended that, and it was on that call with Baron. He'll basically run through a small snippet of what will happen today, but he doesn't go into too much. Just keeps you on your toes with that. So if you want to know more, then you book and you embark on this 2-day course. But I was already enrolled, but I just thought, let me listen anyway. And there's one thing he said, which is by John Rohn, the law of diminishing intent. And it's if you don't do something now, you'll never do it. So then I decided to.
Amazing. Well, you're part of the Self-Made family forever now. Thank you so much for coming, and I'll see you at the next Diamond Clinic. Amazing. Thank you.